tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a program that will tell you which ice cream cone can hold the most scoops of ice cream and by how many. Let me demonstrate. Imagine that we have two cones for ice cream. One of them is in the shape of a cone. It is 3 centimeters in radius and 12 centimeters in height. You have another ice cream cone which is actually in the shape of a semi-ellipsoid. It is 3 centimeters in radius and 9 centimeters in height. An ellipsoid is basically just like a sphere, only that it's elongated in some places to form ovals. Over here in an ellipsoid, we have 3 dimensions. One of them is from here to here, the other is here to here, and the other is here to here, so A, B, and C. The volume of an ellipsoid is 4 over 3 times pi times A times B times C. And when you look at it, for spheres the same thing, only that in a sphere, all 3 dimensions will be the same in length. So instead of saying A, B, and C, all you have to do is cubic it. So V volume equals to 4 over 3 times pi times R cubic. Since we have a semi-ellipsoid, this will become a 2. And in our ellipsoid, A from here to here is A, from here to here is B, and from here to here is C. But since this is a nice circle, B and C will be equal. So we have here, the volume of this ellipsoid will be 2 over 3 times H, which in what we just saw, this will be A, times R squared, so B squared, which is actually B times C, but this is a circle, so B and C are equal, times pi. The volume of a cone is like finding the volume of a cylinder and then dividing it by 3. So the volume is R squared, the area of the circle, times pi, times height, divided by 3. Now, let's substitute in the numbers. We have 3 squared times 12 times pi over 3, and we get an approximate value of 113 centimeters cubic. And for the volume of this semi-ellipsoid, we get an approximate value of 170 centimeters cubic. And we get the difference is 57 centimeters cubic. Now, let's take a look at our Python program. Over here, from the math module, I import the pi function. R1 will be the radius for the cone in centimeters. H1 will be the height of the cone in centimeters. R2 will be the radius of the semi-ellipsoid in centimeters. I call it cup here. And H2 will be the height of the semi-ellipsoid in centimeters. R3 will be the radius of the scooper in centimeters. The scooper is the ice cream scoop, and it's basically it will be a perfect semi-sphere, like a sphere that's cut in half. But when we scoop with it, it will become a nice sphere in each scoop. V1 is the volume of the cone. We have the formula here. V2 is the volume of the semi-ellipsoid. And V3 is the volume of the ice cream scooper. Now, the difference in the amount of scoops they can hold will be the absolute value of the difference. So we don't know which one can hold more yet. So this might be negative, so we'll have to find the absolute value. Then we divide by V3 to find out how many extra scoops can that hold. Here, if V2 is smaller than V1, so if the cup can hold lesser than a cone, print the cone can hold more scoops than a cup. And if V1 is smaller than, oops, I have a mistake here. If V1 is greater than V2, we print the cup can hold scoops more than the cone. Now let's run this and see if it works. Input the radius of the cone in centimeters. We have 3. The height of the cone is, 12. The radius of the cup is 3. The height of the cup is 9. The radius of the scooper in centimeters. Now what would be the radius? Let's have 2. We have a problem. Let's see, what's the problem? Let me have a look. Oh, they can hold the same amount of ice cream. It's right here. There. So else, if V1 and V2 are the same, we print they can hold the same amount of ice cream. I didn't realize that. It's a bit of a coincidence. Let me run this one more time. This time I'll make the radius of the cone 6 and a 9. The cup will be 5, 6, and the radius of the scooper in centimeters will be 2. Now we have the cone can hold 90.75 more scoops than the cup. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. I upload a new video every day, and please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.